Special Agents, Mrs G back again with some more maths reasoning practice. This is all about number sequences and filling in the missing numbers. So quite often you will see questions that look like this. Lots to think about this question. You've got a line of numbers and you've got some empty boxes. Now we already know, don't we, Special Agents, where we see an empty box, we've got to put the answer in. Okay, number one, write the two missing numbers in the sequence. Now, got to pay attention to the numbers we've already got for now. So I would go to the numbers that are together. 41 and 43 is the next number. Now 43 is bigger. What have they added to 41 to get to 43? 41, 42, 43. They've added 2. Now I would just check that this method works again to get from 43 to 45. Then I know that's definitely what we are adding in each step of this number sequence. Okay, so 43, 44, 45. Yes, we are adding 5. Okay, so we don't need to worry about those. Now 49 add 2 will give us the first missing number. 49, 50, 51. Okay, now 51 in the box. The reason I picked that number first to work out is because I knew I could add 2 and I didn't have to do any extra thinking. But the number at the top comes before 41. So we can't add 2 because we've already got 41, add 2 is 43. So we need to do 41 take away 2 to find out what number that top number is. We need to count backwards 2 because we're going the opposite direction to the line, aren't we? So 41 take away 2. We want to subtract, we've got to count back. So 2 fingers up, 41 in our heads, 40, 39. Well done, fantastic. Number 2, fill in the 2 missing numbers in this sequence. Okay, so I'm going to look at 2 numbers close together and work out what they're adding first. So let's have a look. So 24 add 4 is 28. 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. So I think we are adding 4s in this number sequence. So 0 add 4 is easy. That's just 4, isn't it? Then they've got 8 and they've got 12. We need to do 12, add 4. 4 fingers up if you need to. 12 in your head. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. All we need to do is work out, and you can write it down if you need to, what we're adding in the number sequence, and it won't trick us. Well done, Special Agents. Number 3, write in the missing numbers in the pattern. And we need to look where the number pattern starts. I find it easier counting up than counting backwards, do you? 3, 6, 3, 6, 9, 9, 9. It's our 3 times table, year 2. So we're adding 3. 3, 6, 9, 9, 9, 12, 15, 18. That's it. Now, if you're not that confident on your 3 times table, you could have put 3 in your head and counted on to 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. Worked out that we're adding 3. Write that down so you don't forget it. Put 9 in your head and add 3. 9, 10, 11, 12 to get that first missing number. And then do 15, add 3, 15, 16, 17, 18. But your 3 times table will help you there. Number 4, this number square is torn. What was the largest number on the square? So it's not asking you what the largest number is you can see now. It's asking you if we filled in the rest of the 100 square following the patterns that we can see. So what I would do is imagine what numbers are missing in each line. And I'm just going to count in ones, boys and girls. 11, 12, 13, 14. That would be the number 15. Then 16 is in the new row. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21 starts a new row. 22, 23, 24, 25. The biggest number that was in this number square is 25. And you can jot things down. They're trying to trick you. They're trying to think that you can't see the numbers and you can't work out what they're counting in. Well, that top row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, tells us that we're counting in ones, doesn't it? Okay. You could have been really clever and counted down. You could have thought, oh, they're counting in 5s going down. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. but if in doubt, you could always have worked it out in ones, okay. Number 5, write the 2 missing numbers in this sequence. So straight away we've got 5 and then a missing number. I don't know what we're adding yet, so I'm going to go and look at where there are 2 numbers together. So we've got the number 9 and the number 11. 9, 10, 11. Okay, we're adding 2 each time. So 5 add 2, 5, 6, 7 is the first missing number. What's 13 add 2 to get that second missing number? 13, 14, 15. Well done. So take the time, special agents, to work out what you're adding in first. Okay. Number 6. Write the missing numbers in this sequence. 47, 42, 37, something, something, 22, 17, 12. Okay, I'm going to start from the smallest number, which is on the right hand side of the screen, and I'm going to count up to see what we're adding. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, we're adding 5 each time. So what's 22 add 5? 5 fingers up, 22 in our heads. 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27 would be our first missing number. Then do 27 add 5 to get our last missing number. 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. Now the number sequence is complete. We can see that the ones are going in a pattern. 2, 7, 2, 7, 2, 7, 2, 7. But I didn't need to do that. I worked out what we were adding in by looking at 2 numbers that we do have, and I just used my counting on. Have you noticed it's not a quick job to answer these questions? A good special agent always takes the time. Okay, well done. Number 7. Here is a pattern of lines. Draw the missing line in the pattern. Use a ruler. So 2 jobs to do here. First of all, we've got to work out what the centimetres are going up in, and then we need to use a ruler and draw a line. Let's have a look at the numbers we do have. 2, 4, 6. I bet everyone is shouting 8 straight away. That is the 2 times table, isn't it? So we need to draw a line that is 8 centimetres. So we need to get our ruler out. Okay, there it is. And we need to draw a line from 0 all the way up to 8. And that is number line going up in 2s. Well done. Number 8. Write the next sentence in this pattern. 1 add 2 add 3 is 6. 2 add 3 add 4 is 9. 3 add 4 add 5 is 12. 4 add 5 add 6 is 15. Okay, let's stop and look at what's the same. We've got to be number detectives. So if you look at the first calculation, 1 add 2 add 3. Then the second one, they've taken the last 2 numbers and started with 2 add 3 and then added the next number. So if you look here, that 2 add 3 is at the start of that next sum, okay? So here, we need to start the next sum with 5 add 6. We need to take those 2 numbers. What's the next number when we're counting in ones? 5 add 6, add 7. Well done. Okay, so the tip to work this out is add the first 2 numbers first. So 5 add 6 is 11. And then add 7 to get the answer. So 7 fingers up, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And if you were really clever, you still needed to be able to write these numbers, so you still needed to understand that we were taking the last 2 numbers from the sum before and putting them in the boxes. 6, 9, 9, 9, 12, 15, 18. You might have been able to use your knowledge of your 3 times table to work the answer out quicker. Number 9, write the 2 missing numbers in this pattern. 0, 3, 6. This is our 3 times table again. Okay, we're adding 3. So if you know your 3 times table, this is going to be much easier. 0, 3, 6, 9, 9, 9, 12. That's it, 12, 15, 18. But when the number sequence starts with 0, the next number in the sequence tells you what you're adding. So if you're not that confident in your 3 times table, you could see that we've added 3, okay, and then you could have put 6 in your head and added 3, 6, 7, 8, 9 to get that first number, put 12 in your head and added 3, 12, 13, 14, 15 to get that number 2. Number 26, Kemi makes a pattern with sticks. Some are long and some are short. She writes a number pattern on the sticks. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. Oh, we're counting in fives, aren't we? Now write the number that will be on the next short stick, not the next stick, okay, the next short stick. Now if we take a minute to look at all the short sticks, we've got to notice all the short sticks have got 5 on them. Okay, so we've got 5 on a short stick, 10 on a long stick, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. I would just imagine what the next tall stick would be. Okay, so we're looking for the next short one. There's a tall stick in between. So 30, 35, 40, 45. The next tall stick would be 50. What would that stick be? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. They wanted you just to put the next number because you are so good at counting in fives. We've got to be number detectives. We've got to look at what we notice before we do anything. We've got to stop and think about it. Okay, well done, special agents. Leave me a like if you're tuning in next time. Don't tell everyone all these